Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add live chat feature in WhatsApp in Wix website. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix page and then you see WhatsApp. So we already added. Now you see Wix choice, WhatsApp and chat button. So we already added in our Wix website. So I already uploaded video on YouTube and you can find that video link in video description. So you can add WhatsApp chat in your Wix website by using that video. So when we are using this app, so when we install this, then we create account on this. Now you see chatty dashboard. So we are in dashboard. So we already create widget. So click on it. We are using in Wix website. If you want, you can create new. But now we are going to add live chat in this widget. Now you see edit, so click on it. Now you see chatty add chatway live chat widget, so click on add live chat. So this is our another Wix app. Now you see live chat and WhatsApp chatway, so click on add to site and then you see pop up and then click on agree. So we are in Wix dashboard. Now you see apps and then you see live chat and WhatsApp chatway. So you can add name, email address, password and then click on let's get started. So we added information and then click on let's get started. So click on it. So we are in design your widget. Now you see widget color. So you can select widget color according to requirement and then you see widget icon. Now you see header. Our team is here for you. Preview text bubble. Display after 2 seconds on the page. So when website load, then display after 2 seconds and then you see welcome message. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on next. Now you see add fact, it's optional. So you can add frequently asked question according to requirement. So you can add question with answer. Now you see add facts, if you want you can add it and then you see next. So click on it. Now you see add a contact form optional. If you want you can add it. Now you see add a field. So you can select field. So it's up to you. Like email. So you can add field label required field. If you want you can add more. Name. And then click on next. Now you see add chat button optional. Add quick access channel icon to your chat widget. So visitor can reach you on the platform they prefer. Button for WhatsApp, Messenger and more. If you want you can add it. So this is our preview. So click on it. Now you see WhatsApp. If you want you can add. So you can add your number. So it's up to you. Now delete. Now you see SMS, Messenger, Telegram, line, phone number. So it's up to you. And then click on next again. Now you see add power up optional. Now you see multiple options. So you can add attention effect, trigger, set automated message. If you want you can add. Now you see setup working hour. So it's up to you. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on next. If you want you can invite your agent optional. Member can respond to conversation. So you can add name, email address and then you see drop down add one member. If you want you can add more. Now you see and then click on skip for now. Now you see free plan we are using. If you want you can use pro plan. So it's up to you. Now you see URL set with free plan. Get started. Now you see more options. Now you see this edit. Go to website. On website you see both Wix app. One is WhatsApp and another is Chatway. So looking not good. Now go to widget. So we are in chatty and then click on edit again. Now you see add chatway live chat widget. So click on it. Add. Now select view. Now you see live chat edit. If you want you can add more. So it's up to you. So you can do setting according to requirement. And then click on save widget. Now you see widget updated. Now go to website page again. Now you see layout not good and refresh the page and then you see format change. So click on it. Now you see WhatsApp and then you see live chat feature. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.